Hey guys, it's Jackie back here for day 2 leading into our Black Friday Eniva Health offer. Today we're going to talk about oils, okay? The Eniva Health line offers 3 amazing oils, and I'm going to take a second to talk about each one of them, starting off with our Omega 369 salad oil. So if you're somebody that likes an oil vinaigrette type salad dressing, anything that you like to pour on your cold salads, this heart healthy oil is amazing because it has in its title Omega 369, which is a blend of walnut, sesame, sweet almond, and avocado oils. It has a very neutral taste, a really light, delicate taste, and it's really great on any dressings or side dishes that you would use a cold or room temperature oil on. The Omega 369 refers to the fact that the oil contains all the essential fatty acids, omega-3 oils, omega-6 oils, and the monosaturated omega-9 oil, which are all very vital for a healthy body. I feel like if you tried this, you would really enjoy it. Understanding that the benefits of using a heart-healthy oil like this include boosting antioxidants in the body. It helps trigger metabolism for a more natural type of fat loss. It supports healthy skin and nails, healthy joints. It boosts your immune system, which is a really important topic these days, and then it also supports brain health. The second type of oil I'm going to talk about is the Eniva cooking oil. This heart-healthy cooking oil is a great blend of avocado and safflower oils. It has an amazing taste to it. The biggest benefit is that it has an extremely high smoke point. So if you're using other oils like peanut oils, coconut oil, even extra virgin olive oil, which I know a lot of people do use, what you need to know is that they are only healthy for you up to a certain smoke point. And then once you go beyond that, they start converting into the types of trans fats that are not good for our body, not good for our heart health. So this is my one and only. Like, this is all I use. I cook with this amazing oil. And they have a great offer at Eniva for the holidays, which you can purchase with our Black Friday special. This Black Friday special, let me back up for a second, is a $15 coupon towards your order, but it's only available on our online orders only, not our in-studio prices. This is a very special ordering it online direct to your door that you can get the $15 off on Black Friday, on Small Business Saturday, or even Cyber Monday. You can use it on those 3 dates only. But the Heart Healthy, when you go out to the Eniva site, what you're going to see is their special where you can also get these ready to gift wrap and give to your friends, and they come in a cute little Santa suit that you can just slip the bottle in. It's got a little Santa suit hat on top. So it's a great practical gift for all the people that you want to keep happy and healthy in your family and your extended friend network. The third oil that I'm going to talk about today is Epicor or Omega-3. Now, what is special about this is that it is a very pure type of oil, fish oil, that is super important for our immune system, for our heart health. It also has a brain health component. It's great for vision, and taking a high quality omega-3 can also help you with weight management. This oil is so pure and so fresh that you can literally take the caplet and squish it in between your teeth and just let the oil drizzle down into your mouth and swallow it. I know if you've ever had bad fish oil, you get that fish oil burp. And so the fact that I'm even telling you that, I know it's making you cringe, because I'm telling you, it is literally a lemony taste. There's no crazy fish burp aftertaste. It is a pharmaceutical grade formula that is like prescription potency. So we have these in-house on the shelf, but also it could be part of that great Black Friday special that we're offering to you. So I just wanted to come here and talk about the Eniva heart health oils. Again, the omega-3 fish oil, the omega-369 salad oil, and then the amazing high smoke point avocado and safflower blend. I can't even talk today. All three are products that I use on a regular basis. So if you're somebody that spends money on quality oils, you will find that this is a very affordable yet very high quality product to use. Again, the Heart Healthy Cooking Oil, the omega-369 salad oil, and then of course the omega-3 fish oil. Let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything I can do to help you guys. I'll be back tomorrow with more details and more special products.